Hello guys. Today I'm going to make a quick tutorial on how you can actually make a lot of free money with Bybit exchange. And in this Bybit, I would like to show you just two things that can make you a lot of free money. And these things has been happening in Bybit exchange very often, and I've been using it and it's working for me. So I thought maybe I should share this experience with all of you. So without wasting much of your time, let us dive into Bybit exchange, and I'm opening it right away. So this is my Bybit exchange. Right now I've already signed in, and today we are going to look into launchpad and launchpool. Launchpad is this icon that you're seeing at the middle right here. So when you click on this launchpad, you can see here that there is a project. Under launchpad here, you can see that there is a project that will be launched in 6 days time. So this is how you make the money. You are going to, let me show you how you prepare. Buy some bits, buy bit exchange, buy bit token, leave them, leave them in your Bybit exchange for a period of 6 days. Then you will be qualified to uh, commit those token in order to get a free airdrop of this particular coin, this GGM. And immediately you can sell this coin once it's given to you. You can sell it for USDT or for any other coin, and then use it to add up some little more dollar to what you already have, or buy more by bits, and you'll be getting this very often. They have been doing it and I've been utilizing this opportunity. It has been making money for me, so I'll show you. This is how it happens. Right now, when you buy the coin, all you have to do is allow it and keep checking every day. In 6 day time, this coin will be it will be available for you to commit your coin for some period of time. It will be locked for I think 2 3 hours or 4 hours time. Then you'll be rewarded with the airdrops, and in less than 2 hours again the coin will be launched, and you can decide to sell it immediately. So usually I don't sell what I got from these these tokens, because I believe that they can actually worth something someday. The one I did last, I made uh $37. So imagine that, just a free money. So, and that is number one. And I will also make a subsequent video to show you once the time has reached for me to stake my token. And before then, this is another thing you do. You can see this is under LaunchPool. You can actually stake that while you wait for this period, for this time to come. You can actually stake your token for you can actually stake your Bybit token to get Rune, Rune node. You know, this is another way. And this Rune node, you can stake it for as long as you want. Oh, it has a time, a period. You can see the period here. And the good side of it is that you can actually unstake it at any time you want. So what I usually do is I will stake it, and once is the time to commit my token for this particular project, I will come here and unstake this particular one. Then I will now commit my token here. After this period, this project is over, I will now come back here again and stake, and while I wait for another project to come. So right now I'm going to show you how I usually stake my coin while we wait for this particular GGM project to start. So right now I will click on try now, and then I will scroll down, click on stake. So if you look very closely here, this is the details actually. This is the details. The please forgive that. I don't know why this person decided to call now. So this is the details, and the distribution has started time, the calculation time, the maximum staking amount. You see, no upper limit. So total staked is this. Then estimated APY is this. This is what you get, you know, for staking any amount. So the minimum that you can stake in this particular this thing is only 50. The minimum is only 50 Bybit token. So right now I do not have anything right here. So how to stake here is, first of all, you transfer your token from maybe from the other wallet to here, then you can be able to stake. So let without wasting time, let me go ahead immediately and transfer my token here. So how to transfer? You can see the transfer here. When you click on it, so my token, I have about 168 Bybit token. So I'm transferring it to uh Byfi Byfi account. So now I'll click all. Now I'm going to hit on transfer. So immediately the token, all right, good. The token has been transferred successfully. you know so when I click on mass, it will take a little time before it will show up here. It will take a little time. Let me close this and click back here again, so it will show up. All right, so look at it. I have available 168 point. So I'm going to stake all of them to get rune token for myself. So what I do now, after hitting on mass, then I hit uh um the agree button here, then I click on stake now. So like this, I have successfully staked this particular uh this small amount that I have to get ruin token. So it's going to be active until, I don't know, I didn't check the time when it's going to elapse. But once this token, once this one is open, the launchpad is open for staking, for me to commit, I'm going to close that. I'll close it and bring my token to claim a free airdrop from this one. So while the market is still fluctuating, I am using my token to make some little profits here and there. So not laying, I don't let my Bybit token to just lie idle without making anything, and then the price of crypto is actually going down. So like this, while I'm making this small money from here and there, is actually going to keep my even though the price drops, is actually going to be giving me profits until when the market start getting back to its feet. So these are actually how you can be making some money. So without wasting much of your time again, let me show you the monies that I have been able to make, you know, so that it doesn't seem as if it's all stories that I'm telling you. So this money here, I'm using it to trade on derivatives. So this is the money that I made last time, is about $37, but now derivatives can actually take some of your money. So, but it's fine. So right here, let's go to spot wallets, because I transfer most of my token here. So this the token, this is the ones I have been making. I made some here, I made some here, you know I made some here, I made some here. All of these small tokens that you see here are actually free tokens that I made from staking and participating in the launchpad project. So you also can do the same and make some money. In case if you have not registered for Bybit Exchange, kindly check on the description of this video I'll be putting up my link. When you use my link to register, you're going to be getting a very good reward, and you're going to be getting free USDT and so many other rewards. So it's advisable that you use my referral token, and it's also going to encourage me to be doing more of these videos. If you like this video, kindly hit on the subscribe button and also like this video. You can also share with your friends who are also interested in learning more about crypto. That's where we stop for today. If you have any question, please drop it on the comment section, and I will take some time to reply you or put you through in case if you have any challenge in doing this. Thank you.